back to another video of DVJR DIY. Today is a little face reveal, but you're not going to see it much anymore on my channel. But anyway, today I wanted to have a talk about what's been going on lately. It's just that ever since I've been doing DIYs, I can't really do them every day, even though I say I'm going to upload every day. That's actually going to have to change now, is because I don't have my guidance good no more. I am broke as heck. So for now, you guys like show me what you guys want to see, like best activators on peel-off face masks. I could do a little. I could do like a game review. Like I have some score Minecraft. I have Call of Duty. I have Overwatch. I have Rainbow Six Siege. I have Destiny 2. Playing Destiny. Just tell me what you guys want to see. And third of all, something came in the mail today. I got my tripod finally. Yay! So yeah, I just set it. I just set it up. We could do a review on it. So let's do a review. Right now we are currently doing a straight, little saver of it. So here we go. Now you've seen it. Since you've seen it, I'm going to be giving away half a gallon of liquid surge. So subscribe, like, share this YouTube channel on Twitter, Instagram, or basically whatever 5 times, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss a post to see me. Anyway, right now we are currently looking at it. It goes shorter, and if you actually use the extension to go in here, it can also be used as the easel. So that's a really good detail. It's really cheap. So yeah, I forgot where I get it, but when I'm doing this video, I'll put it link in the description box below. So anyway, there's really not much to it, but I just wanted to see if you guys wanted to see what I was using. What I was talking about is I can't post this consistent night as I used to. It's because 1, I was using pony around, 2, taxes, 3, I have flute lessons and clarinet lessons, which is actually 4 now. 5, I cannot always do slime because I can't spend my money on glue, if you understand. Yes, it is addicting, but I'm not one of those slime creators. I just started on YouTube, and I really want my channel to get out there because I love doing it, but as hard as I work, none of you guys watch it, and it really hurts my feelings to the fact that counting to the 5 people that eat. Yeah, I have a main channel, 145 subscribers, that's a lot, but you guys are not coming over to my DIY channel. Yes, you may not like it, but you see, I know who watches my channel because I got this app, and none of you guys are not even checking it out. So please, this is also going on my main channel. So either if you don't see this video on my DIY channel, you're going to see it on my main channel as well. So please do continue to subscribe. I would love to. I am doing a giveaway, as I said, a gallon of liquid surge for slime. But yeah, that will be it for today's video. Bye guys.